Hi everybody, this is Tim Brzezinski. I'm a middle and high school math teacher at ESUMS, and just going through the SAVAAS curriculum here, just getting some assessment questions for my students in geometry here. But I want to show you something pretty powerful. Whether you teach Algebra 1, Geometry, Algebra 2, Pre-Calc, doesn't matter. There's an app called Math.new that can really help students who struggle with solving equations and simplifying expressions. I'm going to show you right here through this example. So I'm going to take the role of the student and have SAVAAS open in one tab here, and I have another tab open adjacent it. So what you want to do is go to Math.new. Have your students go to Math.new. And I'll go there now. I'll show you what it is. This is an app called Graspable Math. It's unlike any other app, and actually it supports students' procedural fluency in algebra. I'm going to delete that equation right there, and I'm going to input what the equation should be, right? So I'm going to add the angles, x plus 38 plus 3x minus 19. See what I'm saying? Plus another 3x minus 19 plus x, and then what's the magic sum? 360, right? And there it is. There's my equation. So now I have to solve for x. Many students struggle to solve something like this on paper, sadly enough. But this can help, this could kind of be like the training wheels on the bicycle, if you will, for those students that still truly struggle. So take a look. I'll touch on the parentheses, right? It's fluid algebra. And unlike photo math, students still need to know what to do to be successful. So look at this, right? For example, if I try to hit this plus sign there, see how it shakes its head no? Doesn't like me because those are not like terms. If I want to add like terms, I'm going to pull that plus. I need to put like terms next door to each other in order to add them. See what I mean? And even here. And I'll bring the 3x. I could put it even on top of the 4x to make 7x's there. See what I'm saying? And I'll add this one more x. I could put it next door or put it on top. I have 8x, right? Click on that minus. That's just 0, right? And what do I need to do now? I need to go ahead and divide both sides by 8. And I'll do that just by dragging the 8. And 360 divided by 8 is 45. And let's see. X comes out to be 45, and yay, got it right. So again, Math.new is a powerful app. It's called Graspable Math. It's a free whiteboard, and I have my students use it, those who need it, because it helps. And the more that students use this, I find, in my teaching, they actually end up doing problems on paper a lot better the more they get acclimated to working with this. It's almost like a reprogramming of the brain almost, just to think and play algebraically. If a student makes a mistake, say the initial, then they can actually go back here. See that little dot right there? They can actually go back here. Let's say I typed it in wrong. I can go back to this line, and I go here and hit fix a mistake, and I can go ahead and change it if I want, if that makes sense. So there is an undo button as well. They can undo at any time. So it's okay to make mistakes, and that's what we want our kids to be able to do. But we got to learn from those mistakes. And Math.new is a powerful app to help them do that within the SAVAAS curriculum and in completing some SAVAAS exercises.